In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use speech-to-text in Google Docs. This feature, called voice typing, lets you speak naturally and watch your words appear on the page, which is perfect for drafting ideas quickly, capturing notes, or writing when typing isn't convenient. Start by opening your Google Docs document in Google Chrome. Voice typing works best in Chrome, so make sure you're using that browser for the smoothest experience. Open an existing document or a blank one, and make sure your microphone is connected and within a comfortable speaking distance. A quiet space helps your computer pick up your voice more accurately. Next, go to the menu at the top and choose Tools, then select Voice Typing. You'll see a small microphone panel appear on the left side of your document. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, that's normal. Go ahead and allow it so Google Docs can hear you. When you're ready, click the microphone icon in that panel. The icon will change to indicate it's listening. Take a breath, sit up straight, and speak clearly at a steady pace. As you talk, you'll see your words appear in real time. Don't worry about minor mistakes while you're speaking. You can always fix them afterward. If you want to include punctuation while dictating, you can say words like period, comma, question mark, exclamation point, new line, or new paragraph. This helps your text read naturally without having to stop and edit every sentence. If the text looks off, try slowing down slightly or enunciating a bit more. Background noise, mumbling, or talking too fast can reduce accuracy. A headset mic can help, but even a laptop microphone can work well in a quiet room. When you're done speaking, click the microphone icon again to stop dictation. You can pause whenever you need to gather your thoughts, then click again to resume later. After you finish dictating, take a moment to edit and format your text. Read through to correct any misheard words, especially names, dates, and homophones like there and there. Add headings, adjust font size, and apply formatting like bold or italics to make your document look polished. You can also break longer sections into shorter paragraphs for readability and add lists or links as needed. That's all there is to it. Open your document in Chrome, turn on voice typing from the Tools menu, click the microphone, speak clearly, click again to stop, and then refine your text. With a little practice, you'll be creating clean, organized documents faster than ever.